I'm going to show you here what to do with the tiles when you get them and how to make them into a pattern on A4 paper. What you'll do is you will call in the tile. Let's go for that one. And that's the size it will look on an A4 sheet of paper. If you then snap it to the edge. Now also, depending on whether your printer prints right to the edge or not, if it doesn't, then you want to be positioning them with the border. This process will apply for either. Reduce that down a little bit, let's say to there, and then what you want to do is Option Shift, I'm on a Mac by the way, drag that over. Shift keeps it in a straight line and Option is to copy it. Snap that into place. Highlight them both, reduce them down a little bit, hold on to the shift, so when that's snapped at halfway, let go. Option Shift again, slide that across, snaps into place. Highlight each one and do Option Shift and drag down. When you see the red line, then you know it's lined up correctly. What I found to be easiest to do now is to highlight them all and then Command G for group. I'm using Affinity Designer, and then Command J, duplicate that group. Hold Shift down, drag it down until you get the red line. Now you see there's just a little bit extra at the bottom there on an A4 sheet. You can either leave that as it is, make sure you've got both clicked, just drag that down slightly just so it fills the space, and there you have it. That's what it looks like with the pattern. And then if you wanted to, you could even, you can do as many of these as you like, you can make it smaller, so it's just Option Shift again. There you are. So that's what they look like. I hope that helps. Thanks for looking.